What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Zay. If you don't say the day, then you ain't part of the gang, man. On phone now. So check it, man. Today we unboxing a couple toys, man. We unboxing a couple toys. You feel me? Know it's been a minute since I dropped a vid, but I'm about to smack y'all with some bangers back to back to back to back.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
You hear me? But yeah, man, so check it. Today, we are unboxing. Boom! None other than CZ Scorpion. Ooh, see that thing? Yeah. See that thing? Yeah, CZ Scorpion, man. Ooh. So, let's see what we got in the box. Yeah, so check it, man. We got none other than the CZ Scorpion, man. I'm gonna open up things up to show you guys what comes in the box. I already opened this thing up and added a couple of attachments already. So we'll show you what's coming in the box. So first, open up the box. Got the paperwork here. The CZ Scorpion Evo. CZ Scorpion Evo S1 pistol. Excuse me. Take that board off. Let's see how it looking. Bam! Oh my goodness! Look at that thing. FVE joint. Got the FVE joint. We're gonna put that to the side. So what comes in the box? It comes with a CZ Scorpion cleaning kit. Excuse my hands. They asked y'all to wash my hands after I use the bathroom.
I'ma keep on lying to you.
I gotta put some Vaseline on or something, some type of moisturizer. You feel? Yeah. So we got this little cleaning kit. Let's go ahead and open that up and see what comes inside of there. That's one hand. Remember that. Get up. So yeah, we got the CZ Scorpion cleaning kit. Alright, so inside this cleaning kit, it comes with a, I guess it's a sight adjustment tool. So it's a alley key sight adjustment tool. We got a wire brush for cleaning the barrel. Got another brush over here, a little plastic Bristol brush to do some breakdown maintenance. We got this looks like a barrel. It's like a barrel key or something, a barrel nut or something like that. What else is in here? This is a slide adjustment tool with the CZ logo on it. We got a board snake. Got some cloth in there. And you got CZ's oil. They got a little oil in there. Okay, this is a nice little cleaner kit. Then it comes with the little molly attachment. You can, molly it to a vest or anything you have. Yeah, man, that's a nice little kit, man. I'm gonna hold that back up. This is the 10-round version. So it came with two 10-round magazines. I'm not gonna leave those in the box. Also, it came with a lock. Everything comes in the box. Yeah. So yeah, this is the pistol here, man. See, it don't look like it looked when it came in the box. So we're gonna move this box off the table here. Give it this box here. Take a look at this CZ Scorpion itself, man. So man, take a look at that thing there, man. CZ Scorpion, man. Great pistol caliber carbine. So as you guys can see, I changed out a few things already on this gun. I changed out the grip. The original grip had a weird angle on it, and also had the safety selector digging into your finger. So it digs in your trigger finger if you're shooting right, and also if you shoot left, because the controls are ambidextrous. Well, the trigger safety is ambidextrous. Yeah, so yeah, just changed out the grip. I put the Magpul MOE grip. Magpul MOE Evo grip for CZ Scorpion Evo 3 grip. Great grip. I'll have a video dropping on this later down the line. But yeah, as you can see, got the Magpul MOE grip on there. Also, I changed out the the mag release, and I got the Magpul mag release with the AK style release with the dovetail. It makes it easier dropping those mags. It give me more reminiscence of MP5. And also we added the Fde collapsible stock.
FBI, open up!
Not stop, brace. Look, ATL about to be knocking on my door. Who is it? But yeah, this brace is called the CZPDW Stabilizing Brace by SB Tactical. I also picked up 2 mags. I'm not gonna say how much they're cheering with them, but 2 mags. If you know, you know. Yeah, 2 mags. Yes, this brace is adaptable, so it has 2 different functions that it go to. But yeah, now I'm gonna set you guys up, and I'm gonna show you what the gun looks like in hand. So yeah, we got CZ Scorpion, man. CZ Scorpion Evo S1. Evo 3 S1. Sorry about that. Pistol caliber carbine, chamber to 9mm. SB Tactical PDW brace. Man, that's the function I like there. But it also has another level, which is there, where it locks. Yeah, great stabilizing brace. Love it, man. I also have the stock CZ sights on here, and I have a 507 Hollison 507C that I'm running on here. Well, I'm going to run on here once I install that. But yeah, man, CZ Scorpion, man. I shot this gun. Great gun to shoot, man. Great gun to shoot. I shot it once when I first got it. It has a little bit of kick, but it's very accurate. Very accurate. Just off of the irons out of the box, it's a very accurate gun. I went with the Fde because, I mean, a lot of people don't like the Fde color. Everybody like their guns in black, but personally I like the Fde because it's different. Also, it matches my Glock 19X. So I can pair the 2 up if I want to run a loadout or something when I go to the range. Yeah, great shooting gun. What else can I say? Change the grip on it. Magpul grip. The MOE Evo grip for the CZ Scorpion Evo 3 grip. Changed out the mag release to the Magpul Evo Scorpion mag release. I also changed out the trigger spring, which reduced the trigger from like a 10-pound trigger pull to a 5-pound trigger pull. I got that from HB Industries. That was a pain to install. I know you guys. A lot of you guys know about that trigger spring, man. It was a pain to install, and you know, I don't even want to talk about it right now. But yeah, CZ Scorpion Evo. Show you guys the gun is clear. Nothing there. Do the famous HK slap. That's what I love about this, man. Got the HK slap, man. But yeah, CZ Scorpion Evo. I'll close the bolt. Just showed you guys it's empty. Show you what the gun look like with a mag in it. CZ Scorpion Evo, man. So y'all, I want y'all to go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, share the video, man. Let me know what y'all think about the CZ Scorpion, or let me know if you guys got the Scorpion, if you guys want the Scorpion. Let me know your guys' opinions down in the comments, man. Go ahead, like video, dislike the video, whatever. Just some type of interaction. Let me know if somebody's watching, you know. So yeah, CZ Scorpion Evo 3 S1.